After 60, small daily habits can make a big difference, sometimes adding years to your life, or silently stealing them away. In this video, we'll reveal 5 everyday habits seniors must avoid to stay healthier, stronger, and happier. Number 3 might surprise you the most, so stay with us till the end. Skipping regular checkups. Many seniors think, I feel fine, so why go to the doctor? But silent killers like high blood pressure, diabetes, and heart disease often show no symptoms until it's too late. Skipping regular checkups can mean missing the chance to catch problems early, when they're easiest to treat. Sitting for long hours. Retirement should be relaxing, but sitting all day weakens your muscles, slows circulation, and increases the risk of heart disease. Even gentle activities like short walks, stretching, or gardening can keep your body moving and your energy levels higher. Poor sleep habits. After 60, quality sleep is more important than ever. Staying up till late, using phones in bed, or drinking coffee at night can all ruin sleep cycles. And poor sleep doesn't just make you tired. It affects memory, mood, and even heart health. Ignoring hydration. Many seniors drink less water just to avoid frequent bathroom trips. But dehydration is far more dangerous. It can cause dizziness, kidney problems, and even confusion. Keeping a water bottle handy and sipping throughout the day is a simple way to stay safe and healthy. Eating too much processed food, packaged snacks, sugary drinks, frozen meals. They might be convenient, but they often contain excess salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Over time, these foods damage the heart, weaken bones, and speed up aging. Choosing fresh fruits, vegetables, and home-cooked meals is the smarter path. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes. By avoiding these 5 habits, skipping checkups, sitting too much, poor sleep, dehydration, and processed foods, you can enjoy more energy, better health, and a longer, happier life. Which of these habits surprised you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on healthy and happy living.